Hey, Memo here with a PowerScreen and Shade in Anaheim. I just finished up a really cool install in Irvine that I want to share with you. The builder did a beautiful job with this home. Designed a California room right off the back of the house. Great space. Only problem? They built it right up against the neighbor's property. So you've got this amazing outdoor room, and every time you step out there, you're basically looking straight at your neighbor's wall, and they're looking right back at you. That's where our PowerScreen comes in. We installed a screen with our solar mesh that gives you full one-way daytime privacy. From inside the California room, you can see right through it, wide open view. But from the neighbor's side, they can't see a thing. It's like having a wall that breathes. And that's the other half of it. You're still getting a cross breeze through the space. Bugs stay out. And the kids can play out there all day long without anybody worrying about it. That's a California room the way it's supposed to work. Everything we build is factory direct. We measure it, we manufacture it, and we install it ourselves. No middlemen. Over 20 years in the business and nearly 50,000 installations. That's a lot of screens. If you've got a patio, a California room, or any outdoor space that needs some privacy or bug protection, give us a call. We'd love to come take a look. Reach us at 704-594-7488. Call us. We actually answer the phone.